Wednesday, March 15, 2017 marks World Consumer Rights Day, which has been celebrated annually since March 15, 1983. It provides an opportunity for the rights of all consumers to be respected and protected. Jamaica, through the Consumer Affairs Commission, the agency mandated to empower consumers, is pleased to join with the global consumer community in bringing greater awareness about the issues affecting consumers. Under the theme, Empowering Consumers in the Digital Age, the Commission will continue to highlight the challenges of operating in the digital world. Globally, electronic commerce has merged domestic and international marketplaces. Information and communication technology have changed physical boundaries and improved the ease of doing business. Locally, many consumers are now able to conduct banking activities online. However, questions still remain. 1. How to improve the quality of service? Which online services can consumers trust? What happens to the data they share online? And finally, what are the rights of consumers in relation to digital products and services? As government, we will continue to work to ensure that regulations and laws governing electronic transactions are put in place and standards are developed in areas such as disclosure, digital signatures, privacy, and content regulation. The opportunities that the digital era offers must be safeguarded against illicit operators. The government is particularly committed to the protection of the business processing outsourcing sector. In this regard, we will continue to invest in training in the areas of logistics and supply chain management. On this World Consumer Rights Day, I urge all consumers to be responsible about their conduct when using the internet, especially in minimizing the risks that new technology brings to the modern world. Happy World Consumer Rights Day, Jamaica.